All right, so now I'm going to teach you the shoulder stance. You first start with interlocking your fingers behind your back, okay? So it's like you kind of start with the bridge pose. So this is how you start the position. Make sure your legs are parallel to each other, shoulder width apart. Your knees are not like that or too close. So this is your starting position. And then from here, you support your buttocks with your hands. And then you take one leg and then another one. Okay. So, and slowly, you um, engage your buttocks and your abdominal muscles, and you strengthen your legs. So you see your feet and try to make just one line. It's called the candle pose. You're kind of like a candle. And make sure your neck is pressing the floor and your shoulder blades are pressing the floor. So you're not just you're not just standing on your elbows and your arms and the back of your head, but it's very important that you press the floor. You press the floor with your shoulder blades as well. This will make a more healthy posture. Otherwise, there will be too much pressure on your neck, and then it will be difficult. So you kind of lift your neck off the floor so that your neck is not having so much pressure. And again, how you do that? By pressing your shoulder blades to the floor. Okay. And you use your buttocks, your abdominal muscles, your core power. And in the tantric way, we don't make the feet like tense. We just relax the feet. Okay. The feet are relaxed and they don't touch each other. So my legs and my feet don't touch each other. This makes cosmic energies coming from the universe and they go into my body. Normally it's a meditative posture. I close my eyes and I focus on the throat chakra, in my neck, in my shoulder, in my throat. It's the Vishuddha chakra, it's the fifth chakra, and this posture is activating that chakra. And meanwhile, there's a sublimation going on. Any reverse posture moves the energy upwards, the gravity helps. So this is also sublimation. If I'm feeling so horny, or if I need to do some sublimation, the energy is moving from my sexual centers up to my neck. Okay, so I can stay here for like as much as I can, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Just make it a meditation on my Vishuddha chakra, the throat chakra. And I also feel the sublimation. And from here, when I can't hold it anymore, when I decide to go back, I support my lower back and my buttocks, and using my core abdominal power, again, slowly go down and use the weight of my feet to control and come down, bend the knees, protect your lower back, pressing it towards the floor. And then this is the awareness phase. In tantric yoga, after every asana, every yogic technique, we spend some time for awareness phase, where we close our eyes, again, like in a meditative state. We just observe the effects of what we have just done. So I see some activation of energy here. It's really activating some energy here. I feel it. And also some effects of the sublimation. I feel lighter. The energy moved upwards. And I relax my body. And spend about a minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute in this awareness phase. And then I'm done.